Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing my journey of baking a rainbow cake with you. It was an interesting experience for me to say the least because I had not baked anything like this before. If you decide to go on this escapade, I suggest you clear your day first. The first step of baking the rainbow cake was to make the basic batter for the cake. For that, I used butter that was soft and was able to hold its shape. I whisked the eggs with the caster sugar until both were combined. And then I added flour and eggs alternatively. I have already mixed the baking powder in the flour. At this point, I divided my cake batter into 6 portions. To 5 portions, red, orange, green, blue and purple, I added vanilla extract, milk and food gel color. I wanted to flavor the yellow cake layer in lemon. So for that I added lemon juice, lemon zest, yellow gel color and milk to this portion of the batter. Bake all the cakes at 325 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. I wanted to add some fruit element to the cake, so I stewed the strawberries so that I can use both syrup and strawberries for the red layer of the cake. And I also used the strawberry syrup for the purple layer of the cake. For the buttercream, I chose to make Swiss meringue buttercream. And the last element was the white chocolate ganache, which I used for 2 layers, one on purple and the other on yellow. I put the cake in the refrigerator for 2 hours after the crumb coat. The final touch of the cake, rainbow sprinkles of course.
Like this video and subscribe. Thank you.